This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your carrier allows tethering and you have data left, because without permission, the hotspot will never establish. Once done, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to reset radio stacks. That often clears transient faults. Next, check hotspot name and password and ensure the hotspot is visible. You want the client device to actually see the network. Finally, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices, so discovery and connections can proceed. Now address the middle, more complex steps. On the client, forget the hotspot SSID and rejoin with the current password to remove stale credentials. This fixes authentication loops. If multiple devices fail, reset network settings on the phone to restore Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth defaults. This removes corrupt configs. Make sure both phone and client have the latest OS and carrier updates, because cellular firmware mismatches or bugs often break tethering. Install updates and then try reconnecting. Finish with advanced fixes. Change the hotspot band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to match client compatibility. Some older devices only support 4 GHz. If Wi-Fi still fails, test USB tethering or Bluetooth PAN to determine whether the issue is the Wi-Fi stack or the cellular data path. Finally, if problems persist, gather diagnostics, signal strength, IMEI, error messages, and contact your carrier. They can check provisioning and network blocks. Troubleshooting tip: test with a different phone to isolate whether the hotspot or client is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.